How to fix the black screen issue on your MacBook Pro. So if you're unable to turn on your MacBook and you're just seeing this black screen, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve the issue. Now, the first thing you need to try doing is power cycling the device. So just go and disconnect any cables going to the MacBook. This could be the charging cable and also any external cables as well. Once everything's disconnected, you'll then need to hold down the power button for around about 20 seconds. So even when the power's off, continue to hold this button down for a full 20 seconds. After 20 seconds have passed, you can then go and hold the power button down for 3 seconds. You can then go and release the button and you can check to see if the MacBook now powers on. If it's still not working, then make sure the brightness is also turned up on your Mac computer. This will typically be either the F1 or the F2 key on your keyboard, and if you're using one of the newer models, this will be on the touch bar itself, and just make sure the brightness slider is turned up. If it's still not working, you can try resetting the SMC. Now to do this, make sure your computer is completely shut down. Once again, go and disconnect the power cable, and then you need to hold down the following keys on your keyboard. Go and hold down the Shift key, the Option key, the Control key, and also the power button all at the same time. And you need to do this for around about 10 seconds. You can then go and release these buttons, and then you can try restarting the MacBook and checking if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, the last solution is to try starting the MacBook in recovery mode. So to do this, make sure your computer is shut down. You can then press the power button, and as soon as you've pressed the power button, you need to hold down the Command key and also the letter R on your keyboard. As soon as you see the Apple logo appear, you can then go and release these buttons and it should restart the Mac in recovery mode. So that's how to fix the black screen on a MacBook Pro.